Hey, beach buddies! Welcome to my channel. Let's get to know each other. I am Vikki, the beach lover, and you're on my channel, Vikki's Beaches. I love traveling, and right now I am in Brazil, in Rio de Janeiro, soaking up the sun on the stunning Copacabana and Leblon beaches. I will be filming to show you what these amazing spots look like. My goal is simple: to share the unique beauty of each beaches I find. Imagine walking on soft sand with the sun setting in a burst of colors as you scroll along the shore. It will take you to the place with the clear water and untouched beaches, like a piece of heaven on earth. I am excited to bring this beach journey to your screens through my videos. I am inviting you not to just see, but feel the warm sun and soft sand. Let's explore the coolest beaches together, where every step is an adventure and every sunset is a work of art. Get ready for a fun ride with me as we discover awesome place on our planet, one beach at a time.